There was a shiny peacock who lived in the woods. One day a lamb saw the shiny peacock and said, "Your feathers are very shiny, can I have one?" The peacock replied proudly, "Why should I give a feather to you? I am the most beautiful bird in the world. Go away." The next day, a duck walked up to the peacock and said, "Let's play together." The shiny peacock looked down at the duck and said, "How can I play with you? I am much more beautiful than you. Go away." The duck became sad and walked away slowly. All the animals in the woods decided not to talk to the shiny peacock. Many days passed, no one was talking to the peacock. "Why is everyone ignoring me?" thought the peacock. The peacock went to the sea, the duck, and asked, "Can we play together?" The duck did not reply and walked away. The shiny peacock then went to see the lamb. "Why is everyone ignoring me?" the peacock asked the lamb. The lamb said, "Shiny peacock, you are rude and proud. If you want to make friends, be kind to others. Otherwise, you will not have any friends." The peacock realized his mistake. He went with the lamb to meet the duck and the other animals. "I am sorry for being rude," said the peacock. All the animals were happy with the peacock. The peacock learned that being proud and rude is not good. The peacock was happy to have friends.